Welcome back to a new price prediction, price analysis video on the SLP. This time it's actually going to be SLP because if you actually looked at my previous video on analysis of SLP, it was the wrong chart and I actually uploaded the wrong video, but I still kept it here just to show that everyone does mistakes and to also embrace these mistakes, okay? So I left it there just for you to guys go take a look at it as well and see that no one's perfect, okay? So if you do have dreams and ambitions to start a channel and do the same thing, go for it, okay? No one's gonna judge you. Do everything that you love to do. If you're passionate about something, go for it, okay? So just a quick rant about what's happening, and just wanted you to have some motivation and dedication to start something that you've always wanted to do. Okay, guys. So let's take a look at SLP this time, okay? So we have here in the 1 hour, we could see that we were oversold here on the levels of about 0.028. So we can see this level here is very crucial because we wicked up there twice, okay? If you take a look here, we know that this is a heavy resistance now in the short term of the 1 hour. We can see that we were in a downtrend for quite some time, and this was the latest update that we did. And I stated that this is heavy support levels here at about 0.0252, and we would love to see price actually stay up there and retest back at the recent highs that we had here at about 0.0293. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. As you can see, we saw price break out of these zones here. We saw a lot of bullish momentum in these areas here, and we saw that in the meantime, we actually broke here, and we saw some bearish momentum actually occur, okay? So we saw that we had also another imbalance here at these levels of about 0.0222. We saw that I stated that this price here, this price action needed to be filled, okay? There's a big imbalance here. We also have big imbalances at these prices, and we saw price in a downtrend for quite some time in the 1 hour for SLP, and then we broke out of this area here, okay? So I stated this is also heavy support levels, and also another level that I was taking a look at for SLP was about 0.0192, okay? I stated this is very important because we could see a retracement back to fill in the gaps and imbalances that we had. And as you can see in the 1 hour, we are currently at this range in here, okay? So this is why I wanted to do this update, because it's very important that in the meantime, and we see that the price has been in a downtrend for quite some time. In the 1 hour here, we can see that we are in the downtrend, okay? So overall, the market is down as well. Bitcoin is down. It's in the sideways market as well. But SLP specifically is down 4% right now. 5% actually, and that's no worries, okay? As I said, I'm a firm believer of Axie Infinity, and I know the potential that it has, okay? So as of now, we can see that we see a lot of you see volume coming in, and this is a great sign, okay? We see volume coming in for SLP, and currently we know that we are at a heavy support, okay? This is why I wanted to do this video, because we are at a heavy support as of now at about 0.0198, okay? So if we can hold this level, and we could see a retracement back here at about 0.0194. So this was also a support level that we drew out several days ago, and we stated that if price continues its bearish momentum, we could see a retracement back here, okay? So we were oversold though. We saw that we saw a retracement at these levels here when we were oversold, and MACD as well indicating there was going to be a reversal. So this is a good sign, okay? Now, what I want to see price happen for the 1 hour is actually, create a double bottom. So we are in somewhat forming that pattern right now, and we can see that if price does break out of this area here of bearish momentum, we could retest back at about 0.0200, and then hopefully retest back at the areas of resistance that we had before, where we had the support levels as well. So you see, this is a support level that we had before, and we unfortunately couldn't hold on to it. So what I want to see happen is actually come back, retest these levels of support we have here, and then retest the levels of resistance that we had in the 1 hour, okay? It's going to be very crucial for SLP to see if there's a lot of momentum come in the next few days. And if we could break out of this zone here, we could see a continuation up to the upside, okay? So if we can retest back at about 0.0223, we could see price going back up to the previous high as well at about 0.0252, okay? But I wanted to do this video because it's very important to understand that we are currently at a good support level, at a respectful support level. So if we could hold it, then amazing, okay? But unfortunately, if we do break this, there's no worries, okay? We could still retest back at about 0.0196 before heading back down a little bit to the other crucial support level of about 0.0187. I wanted to do this video as well because, like, if you take a look, we are at the oversold areas, okay? So this is also another factor where I do believe this is going to happen because we have two important support levels here, okay? At the 0.0196 and also 0.0188. So if we do fill this zone here, we could see a retracement, a little bit of a retracement back at these levels here. But as we know, we already filled in the gaps here, the imbalances that we had before for SLP. So if we could hold on to these levels here where we have been trading for quite some time, as you can see, we have been in this ranging market here at these levels since March 24th, okay? So this is a very heavy support area. And if we could hold on to it and, Bitcoin starts to rally up a little bit, we could see some price action happening in the next few days back to hopefully about 0.0223 and also 0.0245. Just a quick analysis, guys, on SLP, and I hope you guys liked the video, and it would mean a lot if you could subscribe and stay tuned for the next update. Take care and stay blessed.